live, not in a flash. Live.
Then we talk about Devin, guys.
If you guys wanna see us in a flash, come to PTA.
Yeah, I think we're coming to PTA next, guys.
Pulling up. As you guys know, Pretoria is where we're from. You guys know those who in PTA, man, you know the vibes. So fair too.
Yes, sir.
We're pulling up.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Away.
In the building. Omar JJ.
What up, bro? Are you good?
How was Devin? Can you tell me how was Devin for you?
Yo, the energy, bro. The energy from Devin was amazing. The
one thing I can
amazing. Say. And I loved the number of people that pulled up, because most of the people were saying they were getting paid month end. So it was most of the people at the time had not received their money, but it's cool. Those that were able to pull up were able to pull up, and we're able to make sure that we leave a footprint in Durban and we leave an impact that will change someone's life. And I'm 100% optimistic and positive that we did change people's lives.
Yes, definitely, man.
The money JJ said himself.
Yeah, man. Now, as you guys said, man, knowledge was successfully passed down.
I'm sure those in Durban can justify. Can we get those in Durban?
Can we see some fire emojis?
Can you send us some fire emojis? Tell us how was that session? What happened? Did we change your guys' life? Only one session.
Yeah. Jaguar, they're asking an important question here. So the question I'm getting from the people is that is there gonna be a giveaway tonight?
Hey guys, we've been giving what are we receiving? Like what are we receiving? I'd like to do a giveaway at least to a person who says, I was at Devon, I funded, but I couldn't come to the session. Can I get that person who's gonna say, I was at Devon, I couldn't come, but I funded, but due to some unforeseen circumstances, for example, the weather, because you saw it was raining at that time. So due to those circumstances, I was not able to get to the venue. Can we start with Devon people? Then from there, we can move on to Pretorians, because we have good news for Pretorian guys. I think month end this month, Pretoria was never ready. Was never ready.
No, it was never ready, guys.
I'm seeing already there's a nigga from Durban.
It was a great session indeed.
Thank you.
Some of you guys are saying it was great.
You know the vibes. You know
see some fire emojis.
Find account, please. I didn't attend. When are you coming to Limpopo? Limpopo, we gonna come.
Yeah, we're coming, guys. Coming to finish up.
Guys, me, I'm paid, guys. So Limpopo, why you to get a feed? You guys know I'm gonna get them.
Someone says I took my account from 1K to 2,000 rands today.
Congratulations.
Nah, I'm good for you, man. Let's eat, guys. Let's eat from the markets. You know what I mean? Let's eat from the markets, guys. So basically, one thing I can tell you before we start the session today, I can give you guys some young, small 5 tips. You know, 5 tips that I think they would help you guys a lot. These are the tips that you need as a trader. Guys, I'm sorry, there's this thing here. My MT4 platform is on. You know, whenever it's on, there's that
it's making noise. The money noise.
Yeah,
the money noise.
That's so as you guys know, man, there's 5 tips. So the first one I would say is what? You need to have an effective trading plan. We spoke a lot about trading plan, guys. You need to have it. You need to have it. If you don't plan your trades, you fail. If you fail to plan, you're planning to fail, basically. Another thing, I need you guys to initiate, to take trades that are highly probable, you know, because we're using your money here, guys. So I want you guys to take trades that are most likely to happen. They're high probability trades.
We have 3 possibilities, 3 probabilities.
Yeah.
3 probabilities.
We have a low probability trade, we have a medium probability trade, and we have a high probability trade. So you guys should take high probability trades, especially if you have a small account. You can't afford to risk. So another thing, guys, I need you guys to keep your emotions away from your trades. Basically, keep your emotions in check. Control your emotions. And I want you guys to take calculated risks, meaning that you must suppose to take trades that you can afford to lose. You know what I mean? So don't open account that's 1,000 rands, for example, and open like 50.1. See, you're there, you're done. You're done. Like a small spike. You know what I mean? Calculated risks, guys. Use small lot and learn from your mistakes. If you blow an account today, please don't blow an account tomorrow using the same mistake, repeating the very same thing. Some of you guys blow accounts, 20 accounts, like repeating the same mistake. Like literally all the accounts were blown exactly the same way. All right, guys. We need to work on that, guys. We need to work on that. You need to plan your trade. You need to plan your screen time. You need to plan your money management. You need to plan your risk, and you need to even plan for the worst case scenario. That's why you use risk management.
Dango.
That's what I'm saying.
I'm already seeing people here on the comment section. They're saying countdown for 3.0. Guys, you don't know what 3.0 is looking like, guys. It's too much, guys. Too much. Too much. You see, you're gonna see what actually took us 3 months. You understand? Quality, guys.
Yeah, guys, 3.0 is coming out month end. This is basically your last chance to get the 3.0 on pre-sale, guys. This is the last month of pre-sale. FS Go 3.0 is coming out the 30th. Yes, sir. The 30th of August. Yes, sir. 30th of August. We are dropping the FS Go 3.0, the life change and the pre-sales ending.
The very same day
yes, sir.
To Pretoria is the very same
yes,
day
sir.
We're dropping 3.0.
Yes, sir. We're going to PTA the 30th of August.
But you think we should go to Pretoria? Nah, dog. Let's not go to the end of August because this month we're busy with 3.0. Let's make it next month. We're gonna be busy this month. I don't want to lie to you.
Now I want Pretoria, dog. We might even give a few people something like that. You understand? It's
I don't mind. We can even have 5 people in Pretoria. I don't mind.
You understand?
As we are in Pretoria.
It's home. It must be on that, you understand, special day. Not summertime. This guy wants summertime.
Let's check the comment section.
Guys,
those from Pretoria,
Pretoria month end.
Month end or the beginning of the following month.
Yeah. This month end or the beginning of
1st of September or the 30th August.
1st of September we can do bloom, guys. Stop playing.
Jaguar. You must give it also 30 days as well, healthy.
Yeah, you know what I mean. What do you guys think? Are we supposed to do it end of the month or the beginning of next month?
Guys, always good lovers are all over the country. We can even go to Namibia tomorrow.
Apparently I'm seeing here we are now the host.
Okay, guys, we are going to still talk, but wait, someone is talking there. Jaguar, your question you've asked when you walked out of us in Durban,
are you making money or it's a long story?
That one is too much. Man, what's happening there? People are happy for you.
People are happy, but okay, fine. Let's see. I don't think people from Pretoria are here.
Yeah, someone said they're saying 30th of August, and then few is saying
September.
Yes, 1st of September.
Next month, guys.
Okay, let's check the day.
Let me tell you why. Some people are.
Will be the 1st of September. Which day would be? The 1st of September will be Thursday. Why don't you do NFT on the 2nd of September, which is Friday? NFT.
Yeah, we can do it NFT.
Yeah.
And kill it.
We can do NFT live on people.
Live.
Yeah. The 2nd, yes, the 2nd of September, NFT live.
Why not?
Why not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
2nd of September.
PTA, we are coming. PTA. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. If it's going to meet just like that, we decided just like that.
Just like that. Every sport, LP live.
We're coming.
2nd of September,
2nd of September, guys. FS Go will be in Pitori, Bafana Bagasi, Bafana Pitori. Kafita, guys, Thapelo TP take profit. Hey,
we're gonna be opening today or tomorrow. We're gonna open a poll. I mean, a place where you guys can send your funded accounts and everything. From tomorrow So we cut the long stories short. We're tired now. We're tired of long stories from Pretoria. We're tired of hearing people saying they want us to come to Pretoria. We've never done anything for Gauteng. We've been hearing that. Let's cut long stories short now. Pretoria,
guys, people are saying Devon was on fire, guys. Everybody just saying Devon was on fire.
People are hearing this.
So,
Are you hearing this?
People are happy. Not of September, but 2nd of September. It's gonna be Friday.
No, thank you guys. All love from my side. All love this side.
This is what happens when you give, guys. I'm sure already those guys, the next time we come there, those guys will be the very same ones that will be our testimonials.
Okay, somebody here. Jaguar, someone on the comment section also came up with something very nice as well. They said, since we've been going live a couple of times, we can even ask them questions.
Oh, that would be nice.
They said we can even ask them questions. So what I can do is I'm gonna bring up a problem and I want 3 solutions from you guys. Right? You guys are saying we're always teaching you guys and we should test if you are really learning. Right? So what you're gonna do, guys, I'm gonna speak about the bad traits that you have, and you guys are gonna give me 3 solutions on how to combat these 3 bad traits. The first one is basically overtrading. Overtrading, guys. Can you guys give us 3 solutions on how to combat overtrading?
Yes, sir.
From you guys. We need 3 solutions. From you guys, what are the 3 solutions that we can implement in order for us to combat overtrading? Yes, guys, I see the comment section is there. The comment section is live. You guys wanted a question. We gave you guys a question. Now we are waiting for the answer.
Yes, guys.
Remember, guys, the more you engage, the better you're gonna improve your knowledge, and the better you're gonna improve your psychology.
And then we can help you specifically with the problem.
Okay, Azania Vanda, the person is saying stop trading. Good, that's good. We've Kolile Zbanze. Okay, I'm sorry if I'm butchering. Yeah, I'm sorry if I'm butchering your name. Kolile. Saying have a trading plan, which is also correct. So the other one says stop trading. The other one is saying have a trading plan. The other one is saying don't be greedy. Work on your greed, set a target, don't do it for money, do it for the love.
Do it for a setup, do it for the patterns, do it, focus on the trading side.
Malbonga Mthetho says have daily targets, have a trading plan, use a proper risk management. Guys, can I talk about something?
No, you guys, you guys are actually smart. You know what I mean?
Can I talk about something? What you said, have a trading plan. A trading plan is not an umbrella of trading, of proper risk management and all the things. Is it not an umbrella? Can we talk about that? Because I feel that people always get it wrong and twisted.
Yeah,
trading plan.
Guys.
A trading plan is a branch. I mean, no, it's a whole stem. And then there's a tree with branches. Those branches have fruits. Then let's start with a tree. The tree is called a trading plan. And then the branches are everything like your proper risk management, the strategy you use, your trading hours, your trading sessions that you trade at. Then the fruits is the result that you bear after following a proper risk management. Don't get it twisted. And let's go to the lend.
Yeah, guys, you've heard it from the man himself. You've heard it from my rooms. He's telling you guys the truth. So basically, guys, the trading plan has to cover everything. Your trading plan has to cover your trade, has to cover your screen time, has to cover your money management, has to cover your risk. You understand? Like it covers all those things. It's part of your plan. It's what. Yeah, those are the branches, like he said. So it's really important for you guys to understand also how a trading plan is. And as I told you guys, we give you guys a problem how to avoid over trading, and I like your guys' answer because it's actually very true. In order for you to combat over trading, you need to do what? You need to have a trading plan. You need to limit the trades you take per day, and if you are already took too many losses, you need to take the time off after serious loss, which is majority of what you guys said. So thank you guys so much. You guys are smart. You guys are getting there. Another thing I want you guys to do, I'm gonna give you guys another problem, and we need more solutions now.
Yes, guys. Someone is raising an important fact. Do not be emotionally attached to the money. Can I ask you guys a simple question? How can you not be attached to the money if if it is basically your last money? Do you think it's possible, guys? I understand that concept.
Because already in order for you to detach, you must risk the money you're willing to.
What is the first rule they put down in you in order for you to basically be able to trade?
You know,
you must trade the money you're willing to lose, guys. In order for you to be able to approach an account and not be emotionally attached, you need to be at a point whereby you have multiple streams.
Guys. You guys see, some of you here was asking me about JPY pairs. Unfortunately, guys,
it doesn't want to show.
We can't see the screen.
It never wants to show.
Guys. Guys,
and we will kill it.
I wanted to show you guys. It's okay.
It's okay.
Nah, it's all right.
It's all right.
I want to show what's happening with JPY pairs. Pairs. Okay, guys. I have another problem here. These are the problems that I'm hearing from you guys. Actually, I want you guys to come with the problems and come with the solutions, because I believe if you can come with a solution, you will know how to react next time. So another problem is this: how to avoid holding losing trades.
Yes.
You had the question, guys. The second question: how to avoid holding losing trades. You want solutions, guys? Give us 3 solutions there. Give us 3 solutions, guys. How to avoid holding losing trades. This is a serious problem, guys. This is a very serious problem. Many of you guys blow accounts by simply holding losing trades. Like, blow accounts. You guys blow accounts. Yo. What is catch your losses? What is catch your losses?
What does catch your losses mean?
Put a stop loss. You see, Silo, you're moving in the right direction.
Danko.
Put a stop loss.
Danko. And for those who are understanding, guys, it's very important for you to detach yourself emotionally from the money. You need to be a millionaire, guys, and a millionaire is someone who basically has money.
Andy Lempela, have an exit plan.
Everyone wants to income. Have an income, then be a trader. Have an income to fund your career as a trader.
Okay, guys, how do you place your stop loss? How do you place your stop loss, guys? How do you place your stop loss? Put a tight stop loss. Guys, putting a tight stop loss, you already lost. Guys, you already lost. Putting a tight stop loss, you are out of the game. Guys, let me tell you how the market works. The market works in a way that the market makers know where you put a trend lines. They know where you have your support and resistance areas. The reason 90% of retail traders lose is because they have tight stop losses. The market makers know they're going to take you out, and those who are left behind, you're always making the money.
Yes.
Because our stop losses are not tight. Our stop losses are not 10% or 10 pips or whatever. Our stop losses are where our trade is invalidated. Where your trade is invalidated, you must actually be able to analyze, you must be able to find a setup, and you must have an area whereby the setup is invalidated. You know what I mean? So if you don't have a setup, you do not have a trade. Yes, Lincoln machine, the exit when the trade is invalidated. That's how you have a stop loss, guys.
Hey, Jaguar ripped gold.
An area where it's invalidated.
Today we ate gold, yo. I ate buys and sells.
There's too much.
I ate both the buys and the sells.
Wonderful.
It might be coming to retest that support there. You see that?
Yeah,
you want to stay refresh? You want to reanalyze from the start?
Now you can continue asking, answering questions while I do something.
All right.
Okay, guys.
What's this? The third question?
Okay, guys. The third question is how to stop, because I know that's one thing for sure, guys. Many of you guys, I'm talking about the problems that you guys are actually facing, and with you guys coming up with these solutions. You're gonna need to actually take action upon them, because these are the problems that you guys are going through, literally. So the next problem is what?
Can I ask you guys a question?
I've heard it a lot.
Yeah,
I've heard it a lot.
Yeah.
The problem is about whenever you guys actually deposit in your trading accounts, you just take trades.
Yes.
Just take exactly random trades.
Exactly, guys. That's the question I was getting to. Guys, what happens, or basically, okay, answer this question. How does this fear of missing out affect you as a trader? How does you having fear of missing out affect your trading? How do you think it affects you? I understand it. I want to see if you understand.
Yeah, guys, how do you
Why?
think if you're missing out?
Why having a real account is so important for you to not just enter trades because you have a real account?
That is funded.
You just waiting to blow it. You can't wait.
Repeat the question.
Guys, let me repeat the question, guys. The question was, how does you having fear of missing out affect your trading, guys? What happens basically when you have FOMO? When you have FOMO, how does that affect you as a trader? Can you guys spot out how does that affect your trading?
You make irrational decisions. It's one of the answers.
Some people are saying some funny things. It affects me because it's my last money. You will never learn how to trade.
Making sure you didn't blow it.
It makes you take unreasonable trades. True.
That makes you take unreasonable
emotional decisions, which is also true.
You take premature trades, another one successful.
Good.
Yes.
You are donating man. You are donating
That is the
man.
main one. It results in premature entries.
Yeah.
That is the one right there. Who the nego killed it?
Let me see that one.
Let me see. Polisim tetwa. Oh, them tetwas.
Tetwa too much.
Polisim tet. I'm police your end.
Yeah, you're gonna take an immature entry. Yeah, basically, guys.
JJ, do you see another tetwa? They're killing.
Fear of missing. Guys, basically, your fear of missing out on trades makes you take random trades. Like you just take trades out of nowhere. So, guys, that's the thing. How do you avoid taking random trades? I want 3 solutions, guys. How do you avoid taking random trades? 3 solutions on how to avoid taking random trades. Basically, how to avoid FOMO.
How do you avoid that?
How do you avoid taking random trades, guys? How do you avoid that? How do you avoid it, ladies and gentlemen? Guys, keep on answering these questions. The one that answers a lot, you're gonna win something. I swear to God.
Yeah. I feel like if maybe we put some giveaways, people will win.
I'm seeing somebody saying we said how to avoid taking random trades, and I see one of you saying plan your trades, which is yeah, okay, not bad. Follow your trading plan, strategy. Okay, that's good. Focus on your trading plan. Be disciplined. That's good. Have patience. If they don't align with your trading, avoid. You enter trades, always analyze, always wait for your confirmation. Trading plan, patience, discipline, always analyzing. Stick to your trading plan. Analyze correctly, and be patient. Have an entry target, have a few trades a week, and wait for confirmation. Okay, you guys are giving me good answers. So basically, you need to have you need to actually backtest your strategy. Backtest the strategy so that you know how to take your entry from the market.
Guys, the best way to avoid having premature entries or to avoid having FOMO is that you need to be disciplined. You need to have discipline, guys. You need to find a way to practice discipline, which is having a trading plan. As long as you have an approach, you have a plan on how to trade, you'll never have a fear of missing out because you know if something is not according to plan, you'll never take it. You understand? So
and the other thing you guys should understand, fear of missing what? What are you missing? The market.
What are you missing out of? The market has been
running before you were even born, before you even your grandmother. So there's nothing that you are missing out. You are missing out from what? That's the biggest question you must ask yourself. The fact that you saw IMS, no limits, they're on Instagram posting gold running on 75,000 USD doesn't mean you must go buy gold as well. He bought probably when you were sleeping 5 days ago. So now there is no fear that you must have that you are missing out. There's nothing you are missing out. When the right time is right, you're gonna get a perfect entry. And there's nothing called also a perfect entry. But when there is the right time, you're gonna get that good entry.
Yeah,
Lincoln Masinda and Polisim Tetra. Are you guys FSGO students? Guys, be honest with me. Lincoln Masinda and Polisim Tetra. Are you guys FSGO students? If you guys are, you won yourself $500 accounts, and we're gonna double check actually. We're gonna double check.
Yeah, because
Linking Masinda and then Sentimental. Are you guys FS Go students? Because you guys are on point.
We kill this each and every weekend.
Yes,
so guys, once you have a trading plan, secondly, you're gonna need to build confidence in your trading plan.
Yeah.
A confidence in your trading plan will help you to enforce discipline because you now know this thing you've been practicing for over a long period of time.
Yeah. So basically, guys, I like what you guys said. You need to, like I said, I was telling you guys, you need to backtest so that you know how to take your entries, how your entries are usually formed in the market, and you need to only take trades that are part of your plan. So you don't need to actually have FOMO. You need to take trades that are part of your plan, and you need to also review, guys. What you don't review, you can improve. So you need to review.
That's a nice song.
And see exactly how the market responds, and if the certain pair trading is a pair that likes to retest, or basically just shoots down or shoots up. You know what I mean? I see LinkedIn is FS Code 1.0 student on YouTube. Tetra is an FS Code student 2.0.
I knew it. I knew it. You won a South account, guys. Woo! 2 winners today.
Yeah.
All right.
Because it's a linking, you guys are too much. How long does it take to withdraw on both markets? For me, guys, I don't know for you guys. For me, it happens. For me, it happens, guys. For me, it happens. So it's happening. They will withdraw. It happens. It happens. If you guys are having issues with withdrawals, and make sure you're a student first, actually. If you're a student and you're having problems with both markets withdrawals, we're behind you. Remember, Prince took 850 to 700K and he got paid because us, we're going to be behind you no matter what. Make sure you're part of our family, legit, our family, you're part of the FS Gold family. Any other broker.
Yeah.
FS Gold is a voice.
As we know, Nick's inside.
FS Gold is a voice. You can make things happen. You make things happen.
You make things happen. Happen, my friend. Yes, I was actually going to talk about that, the possibility of having a retest after a strong, we actually broke our side of a bullish trend.
Yeah. Lincoln Masinda, please text us using the link in the description below. You'll find, it will soon be updated. Joe, can you help us with that? You can stop sharing screen first before you do that. Stop sharing screen and update.
What do you want me to do?
So, just put a group on the description of the volume.
Okay.
For the people in PTA, because we can't
basically, guys, I'm helping Lincoln and in Tetra, because we know you're an FS Go student. Obviously, you can see you are too much. You are representing there. Jaguar, stop sharing, please. Stop screen share.
Okay, perfect. But it's already. Please. I'm here. Don't worry.
You're gonna do the thingy. You're gonna update the FS. Yeah, thank you.
Hi, JJ.
I get you.
Benjamin. I'm also gonna share a little bit of our screen as well. Just checking something. Just making sure everything is pashasham. Okay, guys, I'm not flexing here.
Ooh, guys, look at how much we killed Nasdaq, guys. We killed the sale, we killed the buy.
Those are part of a management.
Those are part of management. They actually know this.
We killed Nasdaq.
Well, too much.
I had one of you guys saying we should check out CHFJPY. I just want to check it out. I'm not gonna.
Yes. Nah. I don't know what's happening. I don't know what that is.
Guys, I'm too far from the thingy. Don't judge me. JPY. There you go. Swiss franc JPY. Okay, we had a plan previously and it's respected. I see that. Okay, we had a strong thing here, guys. Rejection over here. So basically, guys, analyzing this one, analyzing Swiss franc JPY. I'm looking at
it respected the setup. Do you remember, guys? We spoke about on our Zoom session, our student session.
So we basically had the highest high previously. This was the highest high previously, the highest point.
Yeah. And we broke the market,
and we broke above this level here, as you can see. And after breaking, the market came and retested. So we basically here at this current level. So the market came from below. We had a strong consolidation, and then we
strong one, long consolidation,
and then we broke towards the upside. We are now currently on a bullish trend, and on this bullish trend, guys, we can see that the market has been rejecting over here. We had a high This one is actually a lower high, and this one was even a lower high, of which was confirming for us. What do you guys tell me? What can you guys tell me? If we have lower lows and lower highs, what kind of a trend is that? Lower lows, lower highs. What kind of a trend is that? Can you guys tell me there by the comment section when we have lower lows and lower highs? What kind of a trend do we have?
Yes.
Guys, whenever we ask questions out of a random, make sure you utilize this question.
You never know what might win.
Out of a random.
You never know.
Out of a random. So I'm asking guys, when you have lower lows and lower highs, what kind of a trend is that? You have you guys there by the comment section, guys. What do we have? Prince Wall, the same downtrend.
And yes, triple noise recommended for beginners.
Yeah, guys, triple noise for everybody.
For everybody.
Yeah, some points.
Everything.
I'm fit. Hey.
I don't know what to do.
The downtrend, guys. So basically, the highs were getting low. It was a more an indicating. It was an indicator that you might be selling. And another thing that I can give you guys a tip was that once we broke out of this trend over here, we broke out. So over that, we broke out. We had a retest. As you guys know, once the market tests the highest level from there, we can actually expect reversals because you can see we had a treble bottom and breaking from that level, and we reached this level here. This was, as you know, previously a resistance. And whenever we break outside something like this, we expect reversals from that level. Once we break above, we're going to expect continuations. But usually once we hit the high from a breakout, the breakout will also be the same length before a reversal, right? Like here, for example, we can see we broke out of this one. The market came here to retest. It could be a continuation towards the upside. It's a possibility here, guys, right? So what we're going to need to see is that we'll need to see the market respecting outside the trend here. We need to see either a retest or a nice entry, right? Can somebody tell me, would it be a great decision to enter my buys right now? I want to know, guys. There by the comment section, guys. We just had a breakout
right now.
We had a breakout of CHFJPY, and I want you guys to tell me there by the comment section, is it a perfect time to enter my buys?
Now, is it even the buy low or a buy high? I wonder.
Guys, tell me there. We're looking at CHFJPY currently, and what I want to know is it a perfect time for you to enter a buy? And if yes, tell me why.
The answer.
Guys, don't just say no. Tell me why first. I see
someone, Derek.
Sahil is saying no, there's no confirmation.
Yes.
There's no answer.
And Derek said no, wait for confirmation.
Wait for what kind of a confirmation? Guys?
No, wait for retest. Kaelo. Let me see it's Kaelo or what?
Kaelo.
Ganabo.
We say no, wait for confirmation.
Wait for retest,
which is nice. Guys, but guys, can you tell me what is this? What is this, guys? Why are we not buying here? What is this? We broke out. What are we gonna create after breaking out? We are creating a high, guys. This is a high. Do we sell high or do we buy high or do we buy low?
Tell me, guys, the concept of Forex. So you explain to somebody,
yeah,
buy high or we sell low.
Do we buy high or do we buy low? So that's the thing, guys. We broke outside currently and we have formed a high. We need to do what? We need to look for a low.
You need to buy low.
Yes. So basically, our low will give us our entry. You know what I mean? So what we need to see is some sort of a market coming towards the downside to retest either of these levels. We need a low to enter, but should we break above here, we're still gonna need a break out retest. We need to enter at a low, guys. Immediately once you break outside, I've seen these mistakes by many people. You guys are like, yo, it's buying now. You enter and the market will retest with you. Then you become a gun boy. You become a
long story. Become a gun boy. You are donating to the liquidity provider.
You understand me, guys? So you need to look for an entry confirmation, like you guys said. I like those.
I like what Jesse Mulembe says. No retest, no entry.
Exactly, guys. We need a confirmation. We need an entry confirmation. We need to enter at a low. We need the market to give us an entry point. So currently it's just going bullish. As you guys know, the market doesn't just buy. We need an impulse move.
Correction. It's NPV, guys. Yeah. The worst thing is even NPV. Yeah. Imagine. Imagine the volatility graph engine. It's gonna deal with you nice.
Impulse move correction. And another thing, guys, you should know, since it's NFP week, since it's NFP week, the market can actually do something like this. Since it knows, normally we wait for a retest, right? So what NFP week likes to do is let's say we break out of here. This usually happens, guys. This usually happens due to NFP. You know what I mean? So the market will do what? Since we broke outside, we know the market makers even know. Once we broke outside, a lot of people are coming, running. We are going for buys immediately. Many of you guys are coming. We're entering your buy, loss size 10, loss size 20 there, loss size 100 because you have a lot of money. And what's going to happen with you? The market will continue pushing down. You're going to wait for the retest. You'll continue pushing down. You'll wait for the retest. You'll continue pushing down. You'll wait for the retest. Now you're broken outside. You're waiting for a retest. The market even continues even more. You're waiting for a retest. It continues. It gives you a retest. You're like, yeah, now you're buying. Now you're buying. What up? It continues down. You're waiting for a retest due to NFP week, guys. Due to NFP, this happens to you. NFP week. NFP week, guys.
I want to log NFP week.
Guys, me, I've seen, to us, it's funny now to speak about it, but it was a time it was not funny.
Yeah.
You know, it's funny now.
It's funny now.
You know what I think? It's funny now. During, guys, during it was not funny, guys.
Yeah.
It was not funny. We understand how exactly the market works. These are the market tricks, and they happen. They happen, sadly. You know what I mean? So the best thing you can do for yourself, guys, during NFP week, please don't be killed by a FOMO. This is basically like, what do you call? You need to understand your market conditions. Can you guys tell me our two market conditions? What are the market conditions that we have in the market? So that you guys know. Can you guys please tell me there by the comment section, what are the two market conditions that we have? Bearish, no. News, no. Buy low, no.
But now,
Guys, what are the market conditions that we have? What do we have, guys? Sell high, news. You guys are wrong, guys. You guys are wrong. Bearish trend, no, guys. Market conditions. Keyword conditions. Kylo, Khainabu, or Ghan. I'm sorry if I'm fucking it up, but Kylo. Now, Kylo, it's too much, man. It's choppy and trending. Yes, we have a choppy market and we have a trending market. Right? That's the one. That's the one. Can we get Kylo something, man? Kylo, Ganabu as well. I'm sorry if I'm butchering your name. What you can do, the winners, guys, go to the comment that you had, screenshot the comment, and then join using the link in the description of the channel. There's a link in the description of the channel. Malum says, updated the link. There's a giveaway group. Go to that group, go to the admin, and send the admin a screenshot of your comment because you're the winner. We know that we have Nkoli Tetra, we know that we have Lincoln, and we know that we have now currently
Thapelo, Ghana.
Yes. Take a screenshot of a comment, send it down to the admin, join the giveaway group. Got you guys. That's the way we're gonna fund you. Thank you guys so much for participating.
Yes, sir.
Another one that is not completely wrong, which is also similar, but not the same, is volatility, which is true, guys. Volatility also matters. The volatility that we're gonna have during this week is gonna be a little bit different from the normal volatility because we're gonna be having news. The market could either be spiking for a long time, the market could be ranging, doing some sort of consolidation, right? Because of news, the market can consolidate for a long time until we break either towards the upside or we break towards the downside. And due to volatility, we can be moving slow and the news hits, we're killing. You know what I mean?
Come back.
A lot of things are going to be happening due to news. And fundamentals do move the market, guys. As FS Gold, we actually come from a background of both technical and fundamental analysis. Can you guys tell me what is the combination of technical and fundamental analysis? What do you call that, guys? What do you call a combination? A combination of technical and fundamental analysis?
Oh, that's a good question.
Tell me, guys, what do you call a combination of both technical and fundamental analysis?
Yes, sir.
Bakangelo.
We have one person, it's called
No, but
Prince
he said I'm under 2.0, but you know,
yeah, so in Thabo, if you're part of FS Go 2.0, you're gonna join the group at the end.
Prince World.
Like you didn't finish the course.
Yeah.
That's
Prince World. This was the second right answer. I know I missed you before. I've been looking at you, bro. Sentimental analysis. Please take a screenshot of your first comment.
Sentimental.
In the group.
That's the trader you're supposed to be.
Sentimental, guys. Sentimental analysis is a combination of both technical and fundamentals. The reason is because you should be a sentimental trader, because either or both of these things, technical and fundamental, move the market, guys. If you only solely focus on technical, you're gonna be moved by fundamentals. And if you solely focus on fundamentals, you will be moved by technicals. They both affect the market, and you need to consider both. Consider both of them, guys. You need to consider both. So it's sentimental analysis. Thank you guys so much. You guys are too much. You guys are too smart.
You guys are too much.
You guys are too smart.
You guys are too much.
You guys are too smart. You guys are too smart. What would you guys like to analyze? What would you guys like us to analyze for you?
Guys, just look at GBP. Oh,
okay, GU we could be selling even more, guys.
What a GBPUSD, guys. Yeah, look at how it is respecting each and every level. But guys, can you not just congratulate our level, guys, of trading, guys? Do you see the levels? Huh?
You understand?
Look at this.
You understand?
Look at this.
You understand?
Each and every area. Guys, we are too much. Niggas are hating. We are too much.
The market is respecting the levels. Bro.
Look at that. The market failed to break outside. We had a double top there nicely there, showing a rejection of breaking outside of our trend. We are now still inside of our bullish trend, correcting towards the downside. Can you guys see this? It's too much. It's too much.
Okay, one thing I like to do is
start off fresh
from an unsubjective.
Start off fresh.
So what are
we killed previous analysis now.
Yeah. So basically what we can see here is GU to GBPUSD, and what we can see currently is that there was a level over there and there was a high over there, right? So currently that's our playground, guys. That's our playground, and I just want to see what happened as well in the past. Just to look at this area as well. I can see that this is also a respected level I need to carefully cater for, and I'm seeing here we had a spike, which is just there for now. You can look at this as a very strong fundamental move. The sales was strong over there, and from there it was preparing for a very long bullish streak, and we can see the streak was respected until we had a breakout retest, and then the market has been on a bearish trend ever since, right? We had a breakout and the market has been on a bearish momentum.
That's why sellers has been strong. In a bearish trend, sellers are going to be stronger. In a bullish trend, is going to be strong.
So currently, guys, I can see what we have over here. We have a trend as well that we have. I'm gonna look at this part here because I want it where it's more strong. I can look at this as well. If you guys look at this carefully, it's two touches. It's not actually one. Let me see. Look at this, guys. This is not actually one touch. You see, you know what I mean? I'm gonna cater for that to have it as a possibility. That's what I have on a daily chart for me to form this young trend that we have currently. Guys, remember, guys, us placing these trends, it's also helping us to have like exit strategies, all those kind of
understanding demand and supply.
Yeah,
when are the market is, when are the buyers basically going out?
Yeah, and for those who wants to know our strategies, I'm showing you this is analysis, guys. This is only knowing how to analyze. You need to know also how to grow a trading account. Guys. That's a different skill. That's a different skill. If you want to know how to grow a trading account, you need to come over and join the FS Go 3.0. It's coming out end of this month, and we're making things happen.
A lot is going on there.
I want to show you guys something quickly. I'm working on something here.
We have a lot of deep mentors on the course as well. They're doing fundamental things, phenomenal things, technical things. Price action that you've never seen before, the UK level, the SA level, the Zulu level, the A. It's too much.
The Zulu level. Hey, okay, guys, I'm just looking at something here as well. We have a trade, GBCAD. We're losing on the trade, guys. That's so long time ago. Yeah, it's okay.
Get down with that one. You were trying to swing it. You actually had secured it.
I closed all my accounts except for this one.
Yeah.
But it was only one trade.
You see, guys, sometimes a swing fails.
Sometimes I forget about this trade. I closed. Look at this one. I closed them at 1 point something.
You're trying to swing. I'm telling them, guys.
Yeah, but
sometimes
only
swing is not always. It's not always like we knew it's gonna swing. Sometimes you fish out the swing. If it's swing,
but we see the overall that we were expecting when the swing was all the way up there.
It was all the way up.
We closed the first trade that you guys see over here, the GBPUSD. You see there was buys, right? You can see we had them when, like before month end, like this is like last month. If you guys are not realizing here, this is last month here, right? So we actually closed the majority of trades here. We left one running to a possible continuation of the push towards the upside. You know what I mean? Because we can see that the trend was basically broken from here, and we're looking for a possibility to continue towards that level over there. But as we know, guys, it's NFP week. GP as well is also responding towards the downside. But overall, guys, you must know. Look at here, we made profit. 47,000 profits, 25,000 withdraw deposit with 10,000 withdrawal. It's also growing. So as well, guys, we also take some small losses. See, this was also a loss. We are not gods, but we know how to trade. You know what I mean? This is just a skill, guys. If you want to know how to do this, FS Code is there for you. Did I close a trade? I did close a trade, guys. Let me just close some profits. Let me just close some profits. I'm going to close the profit over there. There we go. Close the profit, and we're going to look for new entries. So we're going to wait for what? NFP to pause and take great trade.
Wait. Let me look at the major key levels.
All right. Okay.
Yeah, honestly, like we might have a sensitive area up here. Just see the second sensitive area.
Because currently we're looking at GBPUSD. We're looking at GBPUSD. We're moving to a now smaller time frame. That's all we have on the high time frame. We're seeing that the market GBPUSD could be looking at a possible sell, as you guys can see, you need to also look at the fundamental reason for the cause, but currently it's also respecting price action because we've hit the highs of a trend and it could be having a continuation, but it's NFP, guys. We don't actually like holding trades during NFP. But we're doing very well, man. Doing very well. You guys can see this GBPUSD, we're inside a bullish trend and we've hit the high of the bullish trend. For those who are looking for buys, you need to wait for the buys.
Yeah.
If you're looking for buys currently, guys, you need to wait for the buys because we have hit the high of our trend. And as you guys saw from the start, as you told,
even right now, yeah. Look at this, yeah.
This is like a breakout retest. You can even look at it like that.
Look at the levels. Look at the levels. Cross this.
Cross the level. So guys, we're still going down. We even before we analyze this, we told you before we're going down. Those who are listening, you guys are going down with us. Those who listened, you guys are going down. We're coming here.
Yeah, look at this.
Coming there.
Onto the second level.
So that's how we have current GU. Remember, guys, for you to also take interest, you need to look at the time as well. You must have a trading time. If this is not part of your trading time, you don't take a trade. If this is part of the trading time, you can't take a trade. Remember, at the end of the day, guys, it's all about following rules, right? You must not even trade everything you see in the market. You must only trade something that's within your trading rules. You understand me, guys? Only trade what's within your trading rules. We see Derek. People know coming with signals. It's coming with mentorship. Mentorship always comes with signals, guys. Basically,
so technically,
this is a signal, basically. You know what I mean?
You can see already. We're going up nice.
So those who are there, guys, another thing, I see Kamo calls us asking us when are we bringing the McLaren. Guys, for the McLaren, do you guys want the McLaren or a Urus? Or a Urus?
The bar, guys. Because right now, we're living in SA.
Guys, which one is better?
I'm driving the R8 and the R8. The small cars.
McLaren or a Urus?
You don't make me happy as much as the GL63 does.
McLaren or a Urus?
Nothing makes me happy more than a V6.
Yo, yeah, I know.
Big cars are nice. Big cars are nice. I think I love the Urus more, guys. I think I'm gonna buy the Urus. Guys.
But
so guys, what do you think, guys?
Anyway?
Yeah, guys, because they were both 5-6. So guys, do you think Urus or McLaren? Urus or McLaren? How do you guys think? Help me decide. Well, it's hard for me to decide.
Look at what he had on gold.
I don't think it's top.
He said it's gonna. What happened? Guys, are you seeing the golds? Look at this. Look at gold, guys. Look at gold, guys. Are you seeing this thing? You had to go retest before looking for a possible sell because we couldn't just sell. You can't just.
That's gonna sell forever now.
Yeah, now you've broken aside the bullish.
Let's check the levels. Let's check the levels. The possible level that could confirm a continuation. A complete breakup bar, a break below here, and having a nice retest to tell us continue holding yourselves across of this one until you continue, probably up until that point.
Guys, please don't forget this is part of God. This is part of NFP week. But let's not also forget that the market will respect the rules, and the rules was pretty simple. We came to test one of the old lows. The market came to test the low, and as you guys know, the market respects what we do here. It respected the market structure. This was a low. As you can see, the market tested the low and it continued to push up. And we need to also carefully cater for the fact that it will respect the trend because it's been respecting the trend. So it had to push up before we can look for possible sells. And even for us now, trends, to even look for possible sells, guys, we need to make sure that we have broken aside this young bullish trend. And after breaking aside, we need to see if we're going to have a retest. And basically, what's happening here, guys, is that once we cross below that level, we are clear for sales because we are still in an overall bearish trend, guys. Yeah. We are still in an overall bearish trend. Even this buy, this was more like an impulse move correction, you know. So if we're in a bearish trend, this guys knows the impulse will be longer than the correction because the correction is only a retest, it's a correction. So this is an impulse move correction. Impulse move, correction. Impulse move, correction. What do we expect? A further impulse towards the downside. But that is only if we do not get the momentum to break outside the level over there, right? Because once we break from there, guys, we are now clear for buys. Because let's not forget, the reason we should also have this in mind as well is because we shouldn't forget that we have tested our oldest lows. The market could be coming to get the momentum from the low to actually gain the momentum to push above and struggle a bit until we continue pushing towards the upside. As you guys seen previously as well, whenever we came to test the lows, the market was preparing for buys. When it came and tested the lows, the market was preparing for buys. When it came and tested the lows, the market was preparing for buys. When it came and tested the lows, the market was preparing for the what? Buys, guys. So that's the thing, guys. We need to carefully
use your history. Use your history to better predict your future.
Yeah, use your history to predict your future.
Yes, sir,
that is like literally how the market works.
Tawole Dwaba, thank you, man. Guys, Tabo helped me decide. The way he said it so many times, the Urus, guys. Hey,
yeah, link in my sim. You said there's no link. It's giveaway group, bro.
The giveaway group.
That's the only thing that's a group.
You guys are not doing
anything else there is not a group. That thing is Telegram. Okay, so we say Telegram. Telegram group, guys. If you go to the description, there's only one Telegram group. That's what I'm talking about. Join that one and you're part of the family. We'll see
there is a giveaway.
I mean, guys, look at the gold, guys. Gold,
look at this. Do you see the skill? Do you see the level? You check this. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right, guys. Nice. All right, guys. Nice. That's what we took gold. What we plugs done racing? You moved it so fast. I'm not sure even I.
Let's GU.
G, what happened? Did we finish? Yeah, I remember. Yes, we're showing them how we continue. Okay, yes. I remember. We killed G. Someone's asking where in Pretoria are we coming, guys? The location, we need to go to Pretoria and investigate and see the location, the point, safety. Because we're gonna bring our cars. Luckily for people in PTA, guys, we are bringing our whips. So we're gonna check the environment, everything, safety points. Well, we know now, guys, when you have money and niggas know you have money, safety is something you have to take care of. Well, you learn from Americans. You don't want to be pop smoked.
Yeah, if you hood too much, you might end up like Pop Smoke.
You understand? But we hood inside, you understand? So we shouldn't hood.
No, but if you hood too much, you might end up like Pop Smoke.
Yes, sir. Hey, niggas throw bars out here, man. Niggas throw bars out here.
Okay, so basically I'm looking at CHFJPY. This is the last pair we're going to be looking at today, or should I say tonight? Only depends on where you're coming from the world. The time applies to where you're from. If I say today, I'm talking to Americans. And if I say tonight, I'm obviously talking to us the
South
motherland. You know what I mean?
Africans.
Yeah, those in the motherland, those in Africa, the true origin.
The GMT plus 2.
GMT plus 2, guys. MT plus 2, as you guys know. So what I'm seeing here, guys, on CHFJPY, we are also in some sort of a small consolidation. You can see the market at a bullish momentum. From there, we had a bearish momentum, and the market wanted to go bullish, but it was more of a downtrending consolidation because it doesn't either a very strong bullish or bearish momentum, but a consolidation. As you guys saw, from the consolidation, the market then gave us
a
volatile movement
towards the upside.
And see, this was so strong to a point that we even had a trend and it broke outside the bullish trend. Like we literally broke outside the bullish trend. You know what I mean? This was at some point a bullish trend. The market was so strong, we even broke outside and
made another.
Yeah, we had a retest. You know what I mean? We had a retest outside this. We had a retest outside, and then we had
there's literally another trend up there.
You can spend the time on that side.
Hey, I'm getting that from the top. But it looked nice from the bottom. Look at that support area. It looked nice. Let's see if I'm gonna tell you when I started. Yeah, it doesn't look nice. It doesn't look nice. I don't want to make it look like a broker retest. Actually, yeah. You see, guys, it's important for you to have a trading partner. You understand? Me, I never analyze alone. No, Jack, you must have a girlfriend they analyze with him. But you know, he only says the only goat does a Jaguar. He says that the only goat does a Jaguar.
I have the whole of this good community.
We're gonna withdraw that giveaway, man. It's you on the comments there. People can't even comment. You only complain about we know you. Text us if you can find your comments. Text us. We know you, bitch.
Yeah, don't make us too angry. We might take it away.
Yeah, because if Jag gets angry,
hey, you don't know Jag.
You don't want to make them. What are you doing?
You guys are making me look like a bad person now.
I'm just at least, preparing them.
What?
Yeah. That's the probability of a retest. You might have a take profit too. Guys, this is also the ratio, the risk to reward ratio you must keep between your trades to make sure that you win more trades. And to have more winners than losers, and to have bigger winners.
I just want to see if this is a very trend.
Trend.
Guys, we can actually have a possibility of going up here. It is a possibility, guys, of coming up here. We do have that possibility. You can see it actually is a break outside this trend. We had a retest over here. We had 2 touches over there. You guys saw the past. Usually we like to clean the charts. We don't like to keep it complicated. You guys know we are the goats. Keep it clean charts, price action. You know what I mean? So we could be having some momentum towards the upside over there. Be careful if you go touch there or we.
Someone is asking me if something else is good. I think GBPUSD is better. Yes, sir.
So that's how we have currently on this.
Then, gentlemen, it's always go to your mentors.
Yeah, now we have currently, and don't forget, guys, please don't forget, this is NFP week.
Yes, guys, please. NFP week. Protect your accounts. If you have a demo, learn from it. If a real account, proper risk management, protect your account. You understand?
I mean, don't rush it. Anyway, guys, we're outside the bullish trend. You're gonna have to look at what else would the market do. This is analyzing from the past. I forgot to tell you guys, mind you, that was from the past. We sometimes analyze and see what had happened before. And before we are done, I'm sorry, Jaguar. As I said, this was going to be the last one. I just want to check last thing I forgot to check. I used only old analysis. I want to check new analysis. And then we're going to be out of your hair and everybody as well. Right? I just want to check something else. I'm sorry. Yes. I just want to check something real quick.
Current market data, guys. It's important to also use current market data.
Just want to see if it's a possibility.
To make sure you cater for all possibilities.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, guys, we're still in a bullish trend.
trend.
So we respect buyers to be buyers and sellers to be corrections.
Yeah, so let's say it goes. Guys, apart from that, as you
This
guys know,
episode, your mentor.
signing out.
See you guys next week. Same place, yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You know the vibes.
You know the vibes. You know the vibes.